Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so let's start off. First of all, we need an H1 header, so we're going to call this header 1. And basically put that down right here. We need to add a paragraph, and basically that's a P, and we're going to say, call this paragraph 1. Simple enough. Next thing we need to do is put an H3 header, because that's what they're asking us for. So header 3, and of course, close off that header. It says to add another paragraph, so it's simple enough. P, call this paragraph 2. Okay, close off that tag. Simple enough. And then lastly, we need to add in a link. So we're going to go A ref equals http://www.google.com. Simple enough. All right, close it off, and then we need to put in basically the text, google.com, and then we need to close off the tag, the attribute tag right there, okay? And there we go. We have the link, we have header 1, we have paragraph 1, header 2, or header 3, paragraph 2, and then the link. And that is the answer. All right, pretty simple. It's just right there. I'll see you guys next time.